How to get Pandora Music App. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a video. For this, you can go ahead and check out your App Store or Play Store. Since I have an Android, I'll be tapping on my Play Store. Search for Pandora Music App in the search bar and tap on it. From here, tap on the suggested app and tap on Install. Leave it for installation for a while. If you cannot see your application in your Play Store or in your App Store, you can check out a browser. For an example, I'll open up my Google for this. Now in the Google search bar or any browser search bar, you can go ahead and search for Pandora Music App. Once you search for it, tap on it, and if you scroll down, you will find the suggested application, and you can also install from here. And that is how you can easily install your Pandora Music application via your Play Store, App Store or any browser. Now once installed, go ahead and tap on the open bubble given to you. Select the option of sign up for free, or if you already have one, select log in. You will have to enter your email and your password and verify yourself to create yourself an account on Pandora. If you're facing any of the lag issue, press and hold onto it and head to app info, force stop it, then go ahead on storage and cache and clear up the cache. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Hopefully we were able to help you, and thank you so much for tuning in.